You're watching Fox 35 News at 10:30.
President Joe Biden is offering an immigration overhaul that could provide a path to citizenship for more than 11 million people who are in the United States illegally. The legislation would wipe out a lot of President Trump's previous policies.
Fox 35 Samantha Sosa joining us live tonight with the latest on this story. Sam.
Well, President Biden has long talked about comprehensive immigration reform, and if that were to happen, nearly 1 million people here in Florida could become green card holders and eventually citizens. A new administration could mean a dramatic shift away from current immigration policies. Steve Maggi, founder of SMA Immigration Law Firm, saying Florida could see a huge impact, starting with deferred action for people brought to the U.S. as children.
And what the plan is now is to actually build a path to citizenship. First, green card status, and then citizenship for DACA recipients. There are over 40,000 DACA recipients in the state of Florida.
President Biden has also vowed to remove backlogs for people who have waited years outside the U.S. for visa petitions.
So you're going to see a lot of family members of Floridians that are going to be able to come finally and live in the U.S. and have green card status.
But the thing most people would likely notice is overall comprehensive immigration reform. That would need to be passed by Congress. Maggi saying it could allow up to 11 million undocumented immigrants in the U.S. to eventually become citizens, a big chunk here in the Sunshine State.
And we're talking about 750,000 people in the state of Florida, approximately, could be a little bit more, that are undocumented now, who could within 8 years become U.S. citizens. Anyone who's been here illegally or undocumented as of the first of this year, January 2021, could be eligible for this immigration reform.
Biden's plans have received harsh criticism from Republicans who say it could encourage illegal immigration. Maggi doesn't see it that way.
But the reality is that these 11 million undocumented people and 750,000 in the state of Florida are not going anywhere. They're going to remain in the U.S., so why not legalize them over time, make sure they pass their criminal background checks and their national security checks, and paying their taxes every year. You're talking about, I've heard estimates of up to $1 trillion over these 8 years.
And Maggie saying that could be money that would help rebuild the economy during and after COVID. I'm live in Orlando tonight. Samantha Sosa, Fox 35 News.